Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to color the flower. Okay, so I am already ready with my flowers petals. Okay, so these all the petals I have already cut it. Okay, and for the big flower you will be needing 3 big petals, 2 medium and 2 the smallest. Okay, all the instruction I have included in the PDF file. You can see it. Okay, and one flower I am going to tell you everything how to do that, so you can make the other flowers for the same. Okay, so we will be needing this color. Okay, this is our pink color. Okay, dark pink even. It's, yeah, so you have to take the small amount of the tissue paper. Okay, this is the simple tissue paper which you have to take it, and I am just taking it. Okay, and now you have to just rub it, see, and after that you can tab into your mat. Okay, and I'm going to start from the smallest one. See, the dark and the light shade, it totally depends on you. Okay, so what I am trying to do, I am just coloring light and dark, dark and light. Okay, I am not, see, I am not going to cover all the petal with the dark shade. Okay, see, the dark and the light. For if you want, you can also do the color on the 3 petal, but it's okay. Okay, we are going to give some formation, so that's why I just want that you will be needing some shading. Okay, so this is called shading. So I would suggest do the coloring at the back side also, as this is the jewelry, so it will not look good if you are not will color it. Okay, so make sure you have to color the back side as well. Okay, see, after that you can just wipe it from your tissue. Okay, so your first color I have all. Now I am going to tell you other pattern. So as you can prepare your all the petal, few petals are dark, like if we have the 6 petal, so on the third one I am not going to take the color. You can make this necklace in any color. Okay, so if you have the acrylics you can make it, but I got so many requests that people don't have, you know, that much of color, so I just make the simple necklace, simple and elegant necklace. So I have just created, see, the petals. Okay, and I am going to color the back side as well. If you think your tissue are not, so you have to color like this. Okay, our 2 petals are ready, and now we have to change our tissue because it's completely waste. Okay, so now again we have to just wipe it. Okay, and we have to take a small amount of tissue. Okay, that we have taken, and now what you have to do, again we have to follow the same process. Okay, 2 we have already prepared because I am going to tell you how to do the big flower. Okay, so smallest one you can make it yourself. Now the 2, and for this again we have to say sometime, see, here we have the dark shade, here we have light. Okay, so you have to prepare all the petals in a same direction. Coloring is very important, so that's why I am telling you all the petals how to color it. Okay, just mix it very well. Sometimes do the coloring on all the petals. Okay, so now there is no worries. Okay, so all the petals I have colored, and now again we have to wipe it our surface. Okay, it's little bit you have to careful when you are working with the soft pastel. So now I'm going to tell you how to color the big petal. Okay, for the big petal I'm going to take little bit dark color. Okay, see, see the color variations. I am going to do dark colors. Okay, and on two petals or three, one petal I'm not going that much of color. See, okay, so our this one is done. I hope guys you all are enjoying this. Tell you how to emboss it. Spray water and keep it in your towel. Start from the smallest one, how to emboss it. Okay, now I think it's completely semi dry, so you have to take your embossing tool, which is medium one. Okay, and now what we have to do, we have three. Okay, we have three cuts, so what I'm going to do for the smallest one from, see, we are not coming in between. Okay, we have to just start from here and we have to stop here. Okay, if you don't have groove tool, you can use same work with your ball tool also. Okay, which is medium, which is tiniest one. Okay, see your petal is dancing. Okay, okay, so your petal like this. Okay, this is the smallest one. Now I am going to tell you the middle one. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you biggest one. Okay, for the biggest one, what we have to do, if you have the big groove tool, then you can just draw three lines. Okay, but if you don't have, in case you don't have, then what you will do, you will make a few more lines. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, see the light shade or the dark shade. So your big petal is also ready. Okay, so you have to prepare all the petals in the same direction. Okay, now I'll back once all the petals will be embossed. Okay.